Hello? Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making liquid soap, liquid detergent to wash clothes. So in this bowl, I'm mixing 400 gram of oil and 400 gram of ethanol. So they are mixed together. This is oil and ethanol, alcohol, ethanol. I mix them together. So everything here is 800 gram, 400 gram of oil, 400 milligram of oil, 400 milligram of ethanol. So I'm going to mix it very well. So after this now, I'm going to the next step. So the next step, I'm going to add my sodium hydroxide to it. So I'm going to add it little by little. So I poured in everything here. I'm going to mix it thoroughly. The smell is so strong. Oh my God. So I've been mixing it for a while until you get to this consistency. So it has gotten to the candle's point. So I continue mixing it. I'm going to mix it till it get to the dough stage. You can see how it turned like from liquid to this. Don't move your nose. Don't breathe in. Don't breathe it in. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to add hot water to it. Now it has come to this form. So when you get to this stage, you know that your process has worked out. This is how it's supposed to be. It's very strong. The smell is very strong. So you have to put on face masks. Okay, so I'm going to add hot water to it. Don't breathe in. It's okay. So I'm adding hot water to dissolve it again. I have to dissolve everything back to liquid. Move your nose. Move your nose. Don't take in all those things. So it has to dissolve. This lump has to dissolve very well. Good. I've dissolved everything. It has turned back to liquid form. So you can see the drop. You can see the candle stick there. The jelly part in the spatula. Look at this spatula. You see the drip there? It looks like a candle wax. So you can see that the soap has saponified. So right now, since everything has dissolved to liquid, I'm going to turn it into this water which have mixed sodium bicarbonate, salt, sugar, and bleach water. So I'm going to turn it inside. This is 20 liters of water. This is where the transformation is going to take place. So I'm turning it so you can see how it changed immediately. The soap become thick. It now turn to liquid soap. So I will keep on stirring it, stirring. You see how thick it is now? It would have been better with a round basin. This one is
square.
The rectangle is giving me some difficulties to turn. So if it was a round basin, I will stir it in a circular motion. So you can see how thick it is now. It's becoming jelly. So you can see it. See how jelly it look like. This is how our liquid soap turned out to be. I'm going to mix it. No, I'm still going to mix everything together. So it's very thick. From here I can add water to it because it's so thick. You see how it is. Pause it. Honey, I beg, I need water.
Mommy, you want pause?
So it's too thick. I'm going to see how jelly is too thick. I'm going to add water to it. I had 2 liters of water to it. That is 22 liters. If I see that it's still Phoebe. So guys, look at the result of our soap. Put the camera away now. No, don't let it fall inside there. This is our soap. See how clear it is. So I'm going to leave it for like 20-30 minutes for these bubbles to clear out of it. So I will show you. You can see how foamy it is. You can see the ladder. It foams very well. So I'm going to add this fabric softener, and also to have a good flavor, a good scent, fragrance, aroma to the cloth, because it smells very good. So this is how we make liquid soap detergent to wash clothes at home. So you can use it to wash white color clothes because it's very potent. So I will come back in a few minutes time. You can see from the one that's the little one that drops here. Look at it. See how it foams. In fact, I don't know how I'm going to wash out all this foam. Look at it. See how it's from. These are soap. all these are soap. So I end up having 25 liters of soap from what I make from the recipe. I gathered 25 liters of soap, so it's very economical for me. Now I have liquid soap to wash the clothes at home. I don't have to buy liquid soap for the moment. So in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to use your cooking oil to transform it to soap. You wash the plates, you wash the toilet, you wash the floor, you can use to clean your car. It's very nice. So I'm going to show you in my next video how to use your cooking oil to make soup. Thank you very much, guys.
Subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please leave a comment. Those of you that have been doing soup, leave a comment in the comment section. So what you observe, your experience, you can also add that I can improve in my soap making process. Please share this video, leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you very much. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. This is me making liquid soap at home with just few ingredients. You can see how it is clear, clean, very foamy. This is how I make liquid soap at home. Follow me to know more on how I got to this point. Thank you very much and have a nice day. So I'm scooping some out to this bucket. Because it's so thick. To see if I can add more water to it. I can see that it's still really thick. I'm going to add this fabric softener to it. You can see he has changed the color of the soap. I'm still going to add more to it so that our clothes will smell so good. You see how it is? Are you videoing it? So this is how it is. So I'll see add more to it again because I still have this one here. I'm putting it here also. So we just end up making liquid soap at home to wash our clothes. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy to have this.
3, 2, 1. Okay.
So we'll come back for the next result. Thank you guys and have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Oh yeah,
Video.
look at us. Look at us. Well, okay, we stop this video here. I will continue tomorrow to show you how it is. Bye. Oh, I'm tired. You cannot